Welcome to Kim's Creations and happy 2024. In this video, I'm going to show you just some of the antics that I got up to over the Christmas holidays. Some of it is crafty, some of it is not, but I hope you enjoy. So one of the crafty things that I tried out was finger knitting. And this finger knitting stuff is something that I did a couple tutorials on by Julie Cutts. So if you know Julie Cutts, she does a lot of resin work as well as acrylic pouring. I've watched her for years and years and years, and she recently put out this video on how to do finger knitting, and I thought, this looks easy. I think I can do it. I want to do it, and I want to make a Christmas blanket. So I wanted to make a Christmas blanket that, you know, people could sit on the couch. So it wasn't just a one-person blanket. I wanted it to be maybe for 2 or 3 people and have enough that you weren't fighting each other for the blanket. So I started on it. Again, this is my first project. I had no idea how many balls of yarn or skeins of wool or whatever you call it, how many balls of stuff I would need. So I just randomly, bought a whole bunch and started. So I did 70 stitches across, and I used the whole of my dining room table. Now, Julie was doing, I think, I don't know, 20, 30 stitches-ish. But her blankets were quite small, so that's why I thought, well, I want to do 70. Anyway, this blanket became the family blanket. And I'm going to insert some of my pictures as I moved along with my blanket making. So I'm going to insert them here. Several requests to show what I'm doing with this finger knitting, and it does go by really quickly. I have been spending a few days doing it just because, you know, life gets in the way. And as you can see, I've just started with the white. Now my white is a little thinner. The wool isn't as thick as, let me show you the red. See, the red's a little bit more puffy than the white, so I'm not exactly sure how it's going to affect my piece.
And how long has it taken you so far to make this wonderful?
That was supposed to take like probably 2 days.
Has taken you a month?
Not that long.
3.5 weeks?
Maybe 3.5.
See?
I don't know how long. A lot longer than I had planned. So now you've seen, the progression on this. And as it developed, it also stretched out and grew bigger. But let me show you the final product. It's ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. So I'm gonna have to put my phone down and back up and grab this thing. So give me a second. I gotta put you all the way down. Walk over here and pick this monstrous thing up off the floor. So Santa colors, my Santa blanket. So black, red, and white were my colors. So this is the width of it. So, big shawl-like thing. All right, so that was just one end. And it continues. And then it continues. And then it continues. And it continues. And continues. And then finally, we reach the end. So yes, it could cover, probably 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people. It's much bigger than a king size quilt, to give you some idea as to how massive this thing is. Oh my gosh, let's see. I'm just trying to even out the whites. And there's the red. My arms are tired because this thing is heavy. It takes like 2 people to pick this thing up. So yeah, family blanket. All right, now I'm hot. Time to let that just come down. All right, so more of the family shenanigans were that I treated everyone to go to Enchant in Scottsdale, Arizona. And it was such a fun and magical event. They managed to create an outdoor ice skating rink, and we all participated in it. My sister's boyfriend, he's like, "You guys are all Canadian. You should automatically know how to ice skate." Yeah, not so much. The result of my fall that I took when I was ice skating. So it was such a fun holiday time. And here are some snippets of our time at Enchant. I hope you enjoy. All right. Thank you all for being here. Thanks for watching this episode. And I will be getting, hopefully, back into doing some regular posting. So thanks again. Hope to see you back. Bye for now.